Our company CETPA Infotech Pvt is into education and training purposes, right? And this Expo, which is organized by Electronics for You, gives a chance to the students as well as for the corporate teams to come here and interact with the giant companies of electronics world, right? So our basic criteria was to get those masses and the companies and the students in one single platform, and also provide a solution for the project-based industrial trainings, because certainly today students get enrolled into BTech programs, but they are still our aim is to get those students rounded tooled engineers, right? Our company is working from this industry for the past 10 years for rounding and training those engineers so that they could be productive for the our country. So our motto was to put the companies and the students in the same platform and serve as a solution for the trained engineers. I just want you to have a look at our products which we have displayed here. The first one, we have an automatic washing machine. The automatic washing machine, the main, the washing machine which we use at our home is a simple prototype of it. It could be implemented in a large scale. All the companies which are manufacturing leading washing machines are implementing in basics of this product. The second one is a robotic arm. This robotic arm is a base product which we can relate to the projects which the space organizations launch, right? They just send a robo into the space in Mars and all, and to collect the basic information. So this is a basic product which a BTech engineering student can make and can get a basic idea of what is going around in the world. Third thing, we have a general purpose kit. General purpose kit is basically used for all the experiments, whatever experiments a student want to make. Suppose he gets a microcontroller, he gets it to programmed in some way, and he has to know the output, correct it in some manner. So we have all the basic instruments embedded here and can collect the information along likewise. Third thing we have here is a general purpose kit. It is quite similar to that, but it has some basic features such as the token keypad, and these keypads are certain additional advantages. This general purpose kit is totally manufactured at our company and sold to our clients, which we get a whole embedded environment in a single kit. Right. The fifth one is a token display system. Token display is similar to the system which we get in the top companies such as Pizza Hut and Domino's. Token display is a counter system. This token system is similar to that. And again, next one is the temperature controller. The temperature controller is basically used in large industries, which a particular man cannot go to a particular boiler to test the temperature. At that time, you can mount this temperature controller over some robot or something like that to calculate the temperature and accordingly control the temperature in the industrial environment. Again, we have a digital bus there. Digital bus and the PBL system and the EVM. EVM is, you can say, the electronic voting machine, prototype of an electronic voting machine, which are generally used into the votings and all of the procedures, the elections which are being held this time around in three of our states are using this EVM concept in a much higher level. The last thing I have to display is the GSM control robot. Right? So the GSM, the basic purpose of a GSM control robot, I have been manufacturing this robot here. The basic purpose of GSM control robot is again, it could be controlled by a mobile phone. Generally what happens is we can control a robot by a remote which has certain limitations, the battery limitations, range specific limitations. But in GSM control robot we have removed all these limitations, and these robot can be controlled irrespective of the distance criteria. So this was an overview of the products which we have displayed at the EFY Expo, and I think we would be back next year to display more better products from our side. Thank you.